Hi George, this is the external aerial. You can see it up there on the top of the two-story house beside the chimney. Okay, now going to show you the rest of the kit. Going upstairs now. To my little home office. And there is the router internal antenna in the ceiling. Okay? Now we're going to go up to show you the attic. That wire there is going down to the internal antenna. That is the actual box over there. And that black wire leads over there to the very far corner of the attic. And then it runs up on the roof to the chimney, which is just at the edge of the house, above our heads.